Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to import products from Indiamart to your Shopify store. Indiamart is one of the biggest suppliers in India, so connecting it to your Shopify store is a sure way to get some quality products with competitive pricing. So let's get right to it. First up, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify store right now, and what you want to do is install the Indiamart app. So go to the search here, search for Indiamart, and then click on Indiamart product sourcing. Now you want to install it, so click on install, and then here click on install once again, and you are redirected to the main apps dashboard on Shopify. Now what you want to do is click here on submit requirements, and after I signed in with my email that I signed up with Indiamart with, and they've sent me a code to my inbox which I entered here. Now I need to continue. So here you can search for products on Indiamart. So let's say for example toy. Okay, kids toys. And now they show me the toys that are available on Indiamart. Let's say I want to add this one, the plastic bubble gun. Okay, submit requirement. Okay, and here they've imported the title as you can see. And now I can get quote from the seller, and he'll be contacted or she'll be contacted by SMS or email. And then I can proceed with the requirement and add this product to my Shopify store.